Are you butthead?
Kind of cool.
Yeah, you
What
are.
if you crash your computer and put it on?
Yay! Really funny.
It better not be gone, because I can get on it. Okay, the thing is, I log my name in,
What is
so
that?
I can go anywhere on
Oh,
anybody's
anyway,
What is that?
you're not actually stored on.
No.
You can't. That's kind of weird, though.
I think that's good.
Well, it's got the plus of if you crash your computer, it's still somewhere. But it has the negative of what about 5
That's
years
my
from now?
homework score? Ha. That's, I'm not doing that. You have to get 70% better on your homework in order to go to the next thing.
Boo! Peekaboo!
Current score
A
is
peekaboo!
99.
That's an A, ain't it, or a high B?
That's
92
a high
sometimes.
Where's Zoe?
92.
Where's Zoe?
Okay, I can hang.
There he is! There he is! Should we clean you up?